Hi my little friends, welcome back to another cooking video with Miss Jailene. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make tortilla pizza. It's super easy. What you're going to need is some pizza sauce that you can just grab at ShopRite. The type of tortilla you want to use, I'm using flour tortillas. Cheese, I'm using mozzarella shredded cheese. You can choose any cheese that you would like. And whatever toppings you want to put on top of your pizza. I'm not putting any toppings because I just like the regular plain cheese pizza, but you can put any toppings you like on top. The utensils that you're going to need is obviously a spoon so you can place your sauce on your tortilla. You're going to need your baking pan for when it's getting ready to go in the oven, and of course a plate and a knife to cut your tortilla pizza when it's all cooked. Because we are using a knife and an oven, you're going to need an adult or an older sibling to help you. Now we're going to get started. So before you start making your tortilla pizza, you're going to want to put your oven, you're going to want to turn on your oven and set it to 425 degrees. While that is getting warmed up, you can start making your pizza. So here I have my plate. I place my tortilla right on top. I have opened up my pizza sauce. And I'm just going to grab my spoon and put some of my sauce on my tortilla. And I'm going to just spread it around. Spread, spread, spread. I use about just 2 spoonsful of sauce for my pizza. And now that I have put the sauce on my pizza, so you can see, I'm gonna go right ahead with my mozzarella cheese and put it right on top. I don't know about you, but I love cheesy pizza. Okay, and that is what my tortilla is looking like. I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna put it in the oven. You're gonna wanna put it in the oven for about 10 to 14 minutes, depending how crispy you want your tortilla to be, but you definitely want your cheese all nice and melted and before you take it out of the oven. So I'm gonna put that in the oven and I will see you guys in about 14 minutes. Hi my little friends, so I just wanted to show you what my pizza looks like. It's just about done. I'm actually about to take it out of the oven and I'm going to leave it cooling down for about 5 minutes before cutting into it. Okay my little friends, after I waited about 5 minutes for my pizza to cool down, I went ahead and cut it, and so I can just show you what my pizza looks like. There it is, my little pizza tortilla. And let's grab a bite. So good. Just like a pizza. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed making this quick snack with me. Till our next cooking video. Bye my little friends.